So our slip knot to the back of the needle. I'm going to get the tail out of there. We're going to take our working yarn and going counterclockwise, we're going to wrap the needles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each wrap will indicate the amount of stitches that you need in half. So in theory, I will have 20 stitches, one for each needle. Now we've got those 10 wraps. Now we're going to pull our yarn to the back and just tuck that out of the way. And we're going to pull the front needle. So we're going to pull the front needle, the one with the slip knot on it. So I'm going to pull that front needle. And we're going to get into our magic loop. And just like we do normal knitting, we're just going to bring that through, bring the needle through, grab our working yarn, and it might want to slip a little bit on the cord, but just first one will be a little tricky. There we go. And then we're just going to work our way across the needle. All right, I should have 10 stitches. Perfect. 10. So now at this point we can drop the other one. We're going to turn 180 degrees. So we're going to get back into our starting position. So I'm going to hold this needle. I'm just going to pull my cord. I'm going to slip my needle back into those stitches. So our working yarn we want to make sure is now coming from the back needle, which is perfect. Tuck that there. We can drop the slip stitch now, and we're just going to get him out of the way. And with the working yarn still coming from that back needle, I'm going to pull the back needle out. And we want to make sure that our purl bumps are facing up. If they're facing down and you try to knit into the other direction, your stitch is going to go into a funny direction. So we want to make sure that the purl bumps are facing up. And then we continue knitting across that needle.
I need to go downstairs. There's a customer pencil. Okay.
Once we finish that, now we go into our magic loop method where we turn our work and drop that needle, hold our back needle, slipping our stitches in, pulling this through, and around we go. And if you're using this for toe-up socks, it's a fantastic way. Each end you will do your increasing, but it creates a very nice, seamless set of stitches. We're using this for our wee gift bag. That way you can knit the gift bag all in one piece from the bottom up. Check out our website for the little free pattern. Thank you for joining us, and if you have any questions or comments, make a comment below. Happy casting on!